Guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel. So today in this video I will be showing you something that has just literally not long ago just arrived. So if you're wondering what it is kind of something. See this key here? It's a KAC fire alarm call point key, and here is the KAC call point, the KAC conventional fire alarm call point. The first one I have. It's the only one I have. Oh, this is so difficult to do with one hand, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it against the wall. Move that. Okay, now the key should just go in. At first, when you first own one of these, it is a bit tricky to... Right, okay. It's still pretty difficult. Whoa, is it lighting up? There we go. Okay, I've reset it. So, this is the KSC conventional fire alarm call point with a back box. Now, as you can see, I've already screwed the back box onto the call point. I've already put the back box onto the call point. If I do it all again, push. Now, at the moment, there is no fire alarm system installed yet. Still, it may happen soon. In December is what I'm on about. Was when I'm on about buying the rest of the things. Right, so this is how I screwed it in. If I just use this to undo it. Oh. Just a second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I took the call point off the back box. And you might be thinking, why have you done that? Well, I've done that for a reason, so you can see exactly what the call point looks like on its own. Right, so there is the other terminal missing. So the yellow one is missing. Yeah, see, it's... Oh, goddamn, I just took that off too. Okay, let's put that back. We need to buy a yellow one of those. Oh, never mind. Anyway, it's a conventional call point, so I don't think it will really need it. So that's what it looks like without the, you know. Where did I put the key? Okay, here it is. Oh, this process again. But did you know something, guys? That this call point key has 2 keys on it. Right, okay. So, I am going to end the video here. I might actually put the call point back on the back box. Or I probably won't. But that's up to me whether I do that or not. It's not your call point, guys. So I will see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, comment, and